Hi, I'm Muratech. Today we will learn how to see unfollowers on Instagram completely without programs and for free. I know that you have tried many methods so far, but most of them are paid applications or applications that do not work at all. These methods are very dangerous and can cause your Instagram account to be stolen. With the method I will show you now, you can see the people who do not follow you and unfollow them in a completely safe and free way. We open the site we see on the screen. This link will also be available in the description section of the video. Click one time on the copy code button on the screen. After copying the code, we open our Instagram account from the browser. We make a right click on empty area and press the inspect button. Paste the code we just copied into the console section and press enter. We can now close the review screen and press the run button. As you can see, all non-followers appear. Wait until the loading bar above is completely finished, and that's it. I would be very happy if you follow my channel. Goodbye.